guys, welcome back to Flat Creek Digital. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the car coaster templates that I sell in my Etsy shop. The program that I am using is Inkscape. There's a free program. I will have the link for the download in the description. And I will also have the link for my shop where you can get the templates. But I just wanted to use Inkscape to show you the best way to use these templates to get the most coverage for your item, and this is just the easiest way. So let's get to it. Let's go up here to File and Import, and I'm going to go to my download where I downloaded the car coaster PNG. I'm just going to import that into my program. Now I want to show you in your Inkscape, your background here may be white. If you see here, the page is white, so it makes it hard to see the template. So what you're going to want to do is, the easiest way is to change the background in Inkscape so you can better see, the outline of your car coasters. So the easiest way to do that is to go back here to Edit Properties. Now I've already have my document properties set to US letter. You may need to change that to US letter. You can do that here. And then also I like to unclick this always on top, because that just puts a page line on top of your design, and I don't like that. It won't affect anything, but I just don't like seeing it on there. So just, you don't have to, but you can unclick that and it'll get rid of that line above your design. Okay, now to change your background, what you're going to do is you're going to go right here to Desk. You're going to click on that, and this is going to pop up. It may look a little different. It may be on a different setting here, but it doesn't matter. As long as you can just change the color of your background. You see how it just disappears? Got to have some sort of contrast so you can see your outline of your templates. Alright, and just exit out of that, and you can exit out of this, and then just leave your design, or not your design, but your template here, so you can better see and know where to put your design. So let's go try to find a design to put in. Just go here to backgrounds. I'm just let's throw in some cow print. Okay, and we'll zoom in here. And what you're going to do is, now a lot of people try to fit it inside the template. You don't have to do that. Size it out, and then use your layering options up here to layer it behind your template. You don't have to remove your template once you have your design in. This is not going to print out. This is pure white. You won't have any issues leaving all of this here. It's going to give you the best sizing option. You can use the maximum of this cutout for your car coaster. Yeah, I mean, it's just the easiest way to do it. So just make sure that you don't have any space up here. If you wanted to make your background darker so you can see if you're missing any areas, you can do that. And you're just going to do the same for the rest of your cutouts here. If you wanted to, you can throw in a different design. Size it to what you want. And then you can, there's multiple ways of doing this. You can, select all of these and layer them behind, or you can just select your template and put it on top. And then, like I said, just make sure you don't have any space showing. And once you have everything in the way you want it, you can highlight everything. Just click up here in no man's land, highlight everything, go to Group, and then you want to go up here to your Align and Distribute. Make sure you have it relative to page, and you can just line it up on your page. and then go to print. And just choose all your normal options to print out your templates, and it'll be perfect. You will not have any of the template showing. You do not have to remove it. The only thing that'll be printing out is your design. I hope that helps. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.